Hey guys, it's Deanna here, and I am so excited about everything that's going on. I hope you're having a great holiday time with all the giveaways from Ellie and Mac. So exciting, everything that's going on over here. And just as if Ellie and Mac couldn't get any better, here they go and get better yet again. And they're offering something that's really, really neat. I enjoy it. I love it. I love it. One of the things that is a little bit sad about sewing sometimes is that I don't feel like I include my son enough in my sewing. So Ellie and Mac has come up with these awesome coloring pages for the kids, where the kids can actually design what they want, and you can make it come to life, and that's really exciting because I love making things for my son, and I always want to ask him what he wants, how does he want it, blah blah blah, but he gets to actually draw what he wants, and I get to do it for him. It's so exciting. There he is. And while he draws, I can be doing other things, but look at how cool they are. They have all different kinds. I see a theme with my son. He loves that orange color. And for girls too, and they are so stinking cute. Look at them. So they're all different kinds, and they are just so cute, and I can't wait to see what your kids come up with and how you make it come to life. And we're gonna have a couple contests going on and things like that to make this so much fun for the kids and the parents as well as we're sewing. So that's really exciting, and I hope you guys are having such a great time. Like I said, I hope you have a great, wonderful holiday, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye!